When planning for mine closure, it's really essential to view closure as an ongoing process, not just a destination. Over the past 25 years, Okane's interdisciplinary team of engineers, consultants, and scientists has developed a forward-thinking, innovative roadmap to closure that helps mining companies optimize a mine's value while supporting a long-term vision for local communities and Indigenous rights holders. Okane's roadmap to closure is an overarching perspective on integrated mine closure as much as it is a step-by-step process. From a broad perspective, the roadmap to closure ensures we are guided by the principles of land and water stewardship. Those are foundational. And future land use as well, throughout the mine life cycle. This overarching approach is supported by a series of activities and studies that, when we execute them effectively, they help a site achieve its closure vision. The roadmap to closure is truly an iterative process. It incorporates insights from subject matter experts, stakeholder consultations, and for sure Indigenous rights holders, and of course industry regulations, all grounded in strong governance, guidance, and best practices. The approach enables us to demonstrate and address material risk in a systematic manner, and then clearly communicate an understanding for acceptable levels of residual risk. The start of the roadmap focuses on framing the opportunity statement. What are the target outcomes, the current and future goals? This phase also includes an initial identification of risks and opportunities that could impact the life cycle of a mining asset. From there, we can clearly identify and prioritize the information that we will be required to develop that site-specific knowledge base. This knowledge informs the development of site-specific closure scenarios, objectives, and management strategies. Working with subject matter experts, including Indigenous rights holders, and applying that site-specific knowledge base, that allows us to collaboratively develop our closure vision, our aspirational statement of what the site can be and what we can achieve post-closure. That vision for the future, that belief, it starts with belief, aligns our post-closure land use, that potential with the site-specific technical potential and the regulatory requirements. Once our closure vision is established, we create a conceptual closure model. Through strategic risk assessments, we identify uncertainties and prioritize studies or numerical modeling that's required to understand and manage these risks. This feedback refines the closure plan and updates our knowledge base, ensuring an informed closure strategy that can adapt to evolving conditions. With an aligned closure vision in place and those identified risks, we can establish measurable closure objectives and success criteria. These criteria guide the development of adaptive management plans that integrate alternative strategies into the life of mine plan. From a range of closure alternatives, we then assess each option and we select the strategy that best aligns with the site's operational goals and addresses its unique challenges. We then conduct another round of risk-based assessments on that mature design. This helps us develop adaptive management plans, including clear monitoring criteria, so that we ensure that the chosen strategy delivers the best closure outcomes for both the site and its stakeholders. With the criteria for potential risks and those opportunities very clearly identified, we develop a detailed closure plan that can be fully integrated with the life of mine plans, accounting for both planned and unplanned events, such as suspension or cessation of operations. A closure plan is only as good as its performance. Integrated closure includes trialing, testing, and improving on designs. By monitoring and evaluating the risks that we've identified against those closure success criteria that we've developed, Okane gathers valuable site-specific data to inform future management actions and refine the closure designs. Okane's integrated mine closure planning ensures that closure plans are continuously informed by insights gained from closure planning support activities and studies throughout the asset's life cycle. Our interdisciplinary team provides integrated closure and relinquishment solutions at every stage of mine life.